hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I want to have a quick chat about Chanel bags and what is the best gold or silver hardware, and also how to choose. Like, it's a big decision. It's an expensive handbag, you want to get it right. So the first thing I want to mention is that the quality of the gold is not superior to the quality of the silver. Back in the 90s and before that, they did used to use gold plated metal, which was true gold. It's not anymore. That has changed. So you're not getting real gold when you buy the gold. You're not getting real silver when you use the silver. However, both of them are equally great quality. They both last really well. The gold doesn't rub off. The gold doesn't tarnish. The silver doesn't tarnish. You don't have to choose one over the other because you think it's going to be a better quality or last longer, just so you know. The next thing I thought I'd point out is if you are buying a specific bag, like for instance the boy bag or the classic flap, I would advise you to have a look at the bag and see what colour hardware suits the bag the most. Personally, I love the boy bag, but I don't like the boy bag with gold coloured hardware. I think it actually looks better in silver hardware, even though most of my Chanel bags have gold hardware. I just think because the boy bag is such a modern, cool bag, I think it looks really good in silver. However, this is more of a classic bag, and I think it was designed to have gold hardware. So I really try to base the colour of the hardware on what suits the bag the most. And then finally, if you are still struggling to decide what colour to go for with your hardware, I would say have a look in the mirror, have a look in your wardrobe, see what your wardrobe is like. If you love classic tailoring, you love really modern minimalist finishes, and you love brands like Celine and Victoria Beckham and Stella McCartney, then you've probably got quite a sleek, sharp, modern minimalist look, which means you might actually be better going for the silver hardware. I think it might be more you. My friend Meg, who works at Bonham's Auctions selling Chanel bags, she said that generally she finds that the people who love vintage and vintage inspired clothing generally love gold hardware, whereas the people who have much more of a clean, modern minimalist really love silver hardware. And I think that's really true. I love vintage clothing and I love vintage inspired clothing, and I love the gold hardware. So I think unless you're buying a hardware which suits the bag the most, I think you should try and kind of think about your style, and if you're more vintage or if you're more modern, and then if you're more modern, go for silver. If you're more classic and vintage, go for gold. And I think that's a really easy way to figure it out. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will put some shopping links below as well. Thank you so much. Goodbye.